Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. It's really nice to see you again.
Today, we have a super exciting topic for our A1 and A2 students. We're going to talk about Formula One, the fastest cars in the world.
Wow, Formula One is so cool. Fast cars, famous drivers, big races. Are you ready?
Perfect. But first, if you like our lessons, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell and write I love F1 in the comments. We read every single comment. What is Formula One? Okay, friends, what is Formula One? Formula One, or F1, is a very famous car racing sport. It is the fastest car race in the world. The cars can go more than 350 kilometers per hour. That is incredibly fast.
Yes, imagine this. You drive from your house to school in 10 minutes. These cars can do the same distance in just a few seconds.
Exactly. Formula One started in 1950. Every year, there are many races in different countries. We call one full year a season. Today, the season has around 24 races. They are called Grand Prix.
Grand Prix sounds very French and very cool. The races are in Monaco, Italy, Japan, Brazil, Abu Dhabi, and many other places. Some races happen in the rain, some happen at night. Every race is different.
The most famous drivers today are Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, Charles Leclerc, Lando Norris, and Carlos Sainz. Max Verstappen is the current champion. He wins a lot.
Yes, Lewis Hamilton has 7 championships, the same number as Michael Schumacher. They are absolute legends.
A championship is when one driver wins the most points in a season. The driver who has the most points at the end of the year becomes the world champion.
And there is also a team championship. 2 drivers drive for one team. For example, Max Verstappen and Sergio Perez drive for Red Bull. Charles Leclerc and Carlos Sainz drive for Ferrari.
Ferrari is the oldest and one of the most famous teams. Their cars are red. Many people simply call them the red cars. Everyone loves Ferrari. The cars. Jack, the Formula One cars look very beautiful. They are long, low, and have big wings. The front wing and the rear wing help the car stay on the ground when it goes very fast.
Good explanation. These cars have only one seat, just for the driver, no passengers. The driver wears a helmet, gloves, and a special fire-resistant suit because racing can be dangerous.
A race is usually around 305 kilometers long.
Drivers complete many laps on the circuit. One lap is about 4 to 6 kilometers. They drive around and around very fast.
A race lasts about 90 minutes, sometimes almost 2 hours. The driver who crosses the finish line first wins the race. But it is not easy. Drivers must stop in the pits to change tires and make adjustments.
The pits are like a super fast garage. Around 20 mechanics change 4 tires in only 2 seconds. It is amazing.
This is called a pit stop. A good pit stop can help a driver win the race.
And drivers talk to their team on the radio during the race. Sometimes the team says, "Box, box." That means, "Come to the pits now."
The race weekend. A Grand Prix is not only on Sunday, it lasts 3 days.
Friday, 2 practice sessions. Drivers test the car and try different tires.
Saturday, 1 more practice session, and then qualifying. Qualifying is very important. Drivers do 1 very fast lap. The fastest driver starts the race in position 1. We call this pole position.
Pole position is the best place to start. The driver in pole position often wins the race.
Sunday is the big day, race day. Thousands of people come to watch. They wave flags and make a lot of noise. And on TV, millions of people watch around the world. the start of the race.
The start is very exciting. All the cars are on the grid. The lights go red, 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 red. And then they turn green. All the cars launch forward at full speed.
Sometimes cars crash at the start. When it becomes dangerous, a special car called the safety car comes out. Then all cars must drive slowly behind it.
And sometimes it rains. When it rains, drivers change to wet tires. The track becomes slippery and very difficult.
Famous tracks. The Monaco Grand Prix is very famous because the track is inside the city, between buildings and near the sea. It is narrow and very hard. No mistakes allowed.
Another famous race is Silverstone in England. It is very fast and has amazing fans. And there is Spa in Belgium, a beautiful track in the forest with big hills.
Every track is different. Some have long straights where cars go at maximum speed. Some have many corners. Drivers must brake and turn a lot. Engines, tires, and strategy.
Engines in an F1 car are very special. Today they are hybrid engines, petrol and electric together. They produce more than 1,000 horsepower. A normal car has only around 100 to 200 horsepower.
Tires are very important too. There are soft tires, very fast, but they finish quickly. Medium tires, good for longer time. Hard tires, slower, but they last many laps. And wet tires for rain.
Drivers and teams choose the right strategy, when to stop and which tires to use. Good strategy can win the race even if the car is not the fastest.
Exactly. Formula One is not only fast cars, it is also clever minds and smart planning.
Let's talk about famous drivers from the past. Ayrton Senna from Brazil. Many people say he is the best ever. He was incredibly fast in the rain.
Michael Schumacher from Germany, 7 titles. He was fast, smart, and very focused.
Now, new young drivers are coming. Oscar Piastri, George Russell, and Lando Norris. They are the future of Formula One.
Women in F1. There are no women racing in F1 right now, but there are test drivers and the new F1 Academy for young female drivers. Maybe soon we will see a woman racing in F1. Now, let's talk more about the points. How does a driver actually become champion?
Good question. In every race, the first 10 drivers receive points. First place gets 25 points. Second gets 18. Third gets 15. And it continues down to 10th place, who gets 1 point.
Right. There is also 1 extra point for the fastest lap, but only if the driver finishes in the top 10. And in some race weekends, there is a sprint race on Saturday, a shorter race that also gives points.
At the end of the season, the driver with the most total points wins the Drivers' Championship. The team with the most points from both of its drivers wins the Constructors' Championship.
Right. Right now, Red Bull is very strong. Ferrari, Mercedes, McLaren, and Aston Martin are also big and powerful teams. The steering wheel.
Let's talk about the steering wheel. It is not a normal steering wheel at all. A Formula One steering wheel has more than 20 buttons and switches. Drivers can change gears, talk on the radio, change engine settings, control the differential, open DRS, drink water, and many other things.
Yes, drivers drink water from a special bottle inside the car because they can lose 2 to 3 kilograms during a race. It is extremely hot inside the car.
Safety. The helmet is super strong. It can even stop a bullet. And drivers use a special system called hands to protect their neck.
Safety today is much better than before. 20 years ago, racing was more dangerous. The race driver who died in Formula One was Jules Bianchi in 2014. After his accident, the FIA created the halo, a strong protective bar above the driver's head.
At first, many people said the halo looked strange or ugly, but it saved many lives.
Exactly. In 2020, Romain Grosjean had a huge crash. His car broke in two and caught fire, but he survived because of the halo.
It was incredible. Money, technology, and the future. Formula One is also big business. The best drivers earn more than $50 million a year. Teams spend hundreds of millions of dollars on technology, development, and upgrades.
But F1 also helps the world. New technology from Formula One often goes into normal cars, like better brakes, energy recovery systems, and more efficient engines.
Formula One wants to become carbon neutral in the future to help the planet.
Drive to Survive and new fans. The Netflix series Drive to Survive brought millions of new fans to Formula One. It is dramatic, exciting, and entertaining.
Before, mostly car lovers watched F1. Now, young people, girls, boys, families, everyone watches.
There are many famous fans too. Justin Bieber, Rihanna, Michael Jordan, Brad Pitt. And Brad Pitt is making a Formula One movie.
Yes, the movie is coming soon. Very exciting.
Rules and penalties. Let's talk about some interesting rules. Drivers cannot leave the track and come back too fast. If they push another driver off the track, they get a penalty.
There are different types of penalties. A 5-second penalty, a 10-second penalty, a drive-through penalty, a stop-and-go penalty. All these make the race more challenging.
Flags are important too. Yellow flag means slow down. Red flag means stop the race. Blue flag means let a faster car pass you.
Overtaking is the most exciting moment. When one car passes another at 300 kilometers per hour, it feels incredible.
Corners often have famous names. Copse, Maggots and Beckett's at Silverstone, Eau Rouge and Raidillon at Spa, Parabolica at Monza. Real fans love these names.
Monza is called the Temple of Speed. Italy loves Formula One very much. Ferrari fans are called the Tifosi, and they are very passionate.
When Ferrari wins in Monza, the entire track becomes red. It is beautiful. Historic seasons and iconic moments.
Abu Dhabi is usually the last race of the season. Sometimes the champion is decided there.
In 2021, the last lap of the last race decided the championship. Max Verstappen became champion on the very final lap. It was unforgettable.
Formula One is not only racing. There are concerts, events, celebrities, and big shows.
In Miami, Las Vegas, and Singapore, the race weekends feel like festivals. Young drivers and karting.
Many drivers start karting when they are only 6 or 7 years old. Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, and Michael Schumacher all started in karts.
If you have a dream, start early and never give up. Wait, Jack, we still have time for more Formula One stories.
Yes, let's talk about rookie drivers, new drivers in their first year. Some of them are only 18 years old.
Like Max Verstappen. He started racing in Formula One when he was only 17. Very young.
Or Kimi Räikkönen, famous for his short, funny answers. A journalist once asked him, "What do you think about during the race?" Kimi said, "I drive. I try to go fast. That's it."
So simple, so funny.
Sebastian Vettel won 4 championships with Red Bull. He loved giving his cars names, like Kinky Kylie or Luscious Liz.
Lewis Hamilton is also a fashion star. He wears unique clothes and has his own style.
And he loves dogs. His dog, Roscoe, even has an Instagram account.
Lando Norris is the funny one. He plays video games on Twitch and makes everyone laugh.
Charles Leclerc plays the piano very well. He uploads beautiful music.
And Carlos Sainz sings. He actually has a good voice.
So drivers are not only fast, they are talented in many different ways.
Let's learn some easy F1 words.
Pole position, first place in qualifying. Podium, the place for first, second, and third after the race. DRS, a system that opens the rear wing to go faster on the straights. Undercut, a strategy where a driver pits earlier to become faster afterward. Lap time, how long it takes to complete one lap.
Today, F1 cars use V6 turbo hybrid engines. But in the past, Formula One cars had V10 and V12 engines.
Those engines sounded like rock music. Many fans miss the old loud sound.
One strange race was the 2005 United States Grand Prix. Because of tire problems, only 6 cars started the race.
Another unforgettable time was 2020, when many races happened without fans because of COVID. Drivers raced in empty stadiums.
But now, everything is back. Full crowds and big energy.
Formula One growing around the world.
Formula One is expanding every year. There are new races in Qatar and Saudi Arabia. Soon, maybe Africa will return to the calendar.
Many fans want to race in South Africa again. It was part of Formula One a long time ago.
Friends, today we explored so much. Cars, drivers, rules, stories, vocabulary, funny moments.
I think you understand Formula One very well now.
Next time you watch a race, you'll understand everything.
Thank you for being with us today. You are amazing students.
Keep practicing English every day. See you soon.
Bye-bye.